Good morning, dear students. So far we have seen theoretical part of the transformers. So let us now solve some of the numericals or the problems on transformers. So let us take first problem. A single phase 20 kVA transformer has 1000 primary turns and 2500 secondary turns. The net cross-sectional area of the core is 100 square centimeter when the primary voltage is connected to 500 volts 50 hertz supply. Find maximum flux density in the core, the voltage induced in the secondary winding, and the primary and secondary full load currents. So first you write down what is the given data. So rating of the transformer is given, that is 20 kVA. Number of turns in the primary, that is N1 is given. Again, number of turns in the secondary N2 is given. Net cross-sectional area of the core A is given as 100 square centimeter. Primary winding voltage E1 is equal to 500 volts is given. Again, frequency F is 50 hertz. Okay. Now we have the formula. The EMF induced in the primary is given by E1 is equal to 4.44 F N1 phi m. Phi m can be expressed as Bm into A. So to find out the first parameter, that is maximum flux density in the core. So that is found using this particular expression. Now E1 is known in this. Then we know F also. We know what is N1. Okay. We know area also. Only the unknown is Bm. So Bm is nothing but E1 divided by 4.44 F then A into N1. That is what it is substituted over here and the answer is found to be 0.2252 Webers. Next parameter we need to find out is the voltage induced in the secondary winding. So voltage induced in the secondary winding can be found by using the formula E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1. That is nothing but the transformation ratio what we studied, right? So now in this E1 we know what is N2, we know what is N1. So just substitute those values. So E2 is equal to E1 into N2 by N1. We get 1250 volts, which is the voltage in the secondary winding. Next, we need to find out what is the primary and secondary full load currents. So the primary current I1 is equal to kVA divided by E1. So we have 20 kVA divided by E1, which is nothing but the 40 amps what we get over here. Again, for the current I2, kVA divided by E2. Again, 20 kVA divided by 1250 volts. So we get 16 amperes. So next we move on to the second problem. Find the number of turns on the primary and secondary side of a 440 volts bar, 230 volts, 50 hertz single phase transformer if the net area of cross section of the core is 30 square centimeter and maximum flux density is 1 Weber per square meter. So here when they give you the rating like this 440/230 volts, this is the primary voltage and this is the secondary voltage. So the first, let us write down what is given over here. So voltage ratio is given E2 by E1, which is nothing but equal to N2 by N1, that is 440/230. Supply frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, they are given you also net area of cross section of the core A, which is 30 square centimeters. So centimeters, if we convert to meters here, we need to multiply by 10 to the power of minus 4 because it is square centimeter. So 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Maximum flux density is given 1 Weber per square meter. Here no conversion because it is already given in meters. Induced voltage in the primary is given by the formula E1 is equal to 4.44 FBM A into N1. Now you find out N1 from the above formula because all the other parameters are known. So we get N1 value as 661 turns. Next, induced voltage in the secondary, that is E2 is equal to 4.44 FBM A into N2. So find out N2 from this formula. So one more way of finding N2 is by using this transformation ratio. So we get the answer as 346 turns. Let us move on to the next problem. A single phase 50 Hertz core type transformer has a square core of 20 centimeter side. So here they have given you what is the length of the side. The permissible maximum density is 1 Weber per square meter. Calculate the number of turns per limb on the high and low voltage sides of transformer with rating 3000 by 220 volts ratio. So first you list out what is the given parameter. Frequency is equal to 50 Hertz. Core cross section is given. Square core of 20 centimeter side. So how to find the core net core area is you need to multiply 0.9 into gross area. So how to find the area? Length into length. So 0.9 into 0.2 into 0.2. Why I have written 0.2? Because this centimeter is converted into meter. So 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but it is 0.2. So we get 0.9 into 0.2 into 0.2, that is 0.036 square meter. The permissible maximum density is equal to 1 Weber per square meter. So the primary voltage is given and secondary voltage is given. Number of turns on high voltage side E1 is equal to 4.44 FBMA into N1. So find N1 from this formula. Again, by using transformation ratio, find the number of turns in the secondary. So we get 28. So let us continue with some more problems in the next session.